is there any question? Is there any problem on the day supply that you want me to cover? You good, Stormy? My Shauna, you good on the day supply part? Okay. Day supply, final answer must always be days. There's always 30 days in a month in pharmacy calculations, okay? And then round down. Next one, quantity to be dispensed. The rule here is round up, okay? Because we can't give a third of a tablet if your final answer ends up to be 5.33. Have you ever seen anybody dispense a third of a tablet, the total? No, right? But if it's single dose, that's possible, okay? If it's single dose, that's possible. Richard, I know you have to be at the campus, is that correct?
No.
Oh, no, not today. What about you, Stormy? You have to be at the campus?
I do, and I will be late, but
that's okay. I'll tell Miss J, okay? I'll tell Miss J, but text her too. Okay, so Richard, I asked my Shauna and Stormy if they have questions on the quantity to be dispensed, on the day supply first. You're okay with the day supply? Okay, so we proceed with the quantity to be dispensed now, okay? Day supply again, final answer must be in days. So if your final answer is in months, convert that to days. And in pharmacy, there will always be 30 days in a month for calculation and billing purposes. Day supply round down. Okay, let's jump to quantity to be dispensed. Quantity to be dispensed, round up. This is total quantity that you need to give to the patient for the entire duration of treatment, which means whatever the doctor wrote for. Retail setting. If it's for a month, you'll have to give it for a month. If it's for an entire year, you'll have to give it for an entire year, which usually is not the case. The max we give is usually a 90-day supply. Okay? But for the purposes of math, sometimes you'll see times 12 days. Okay. Quantity to be dispensed, round up. So if there's a decimal, you add 1. Okay? You'll see final answers in tabs, caps, and ml. That clear? You first, Stormy, which particular prescription you want me to solve or show you? In the front or at the back? Let me know. Front, back, and then tell me the prescription.
It's actually 3 problems on the last page.
Okay. So do we all have the last page, or is there somebody who wants me to go over the front? Anything on the front? Yes, Richard.
I'm actually good. I was just coming back because my phone died.
Oh, okay. Anything on the front? Problem on the front that you want me solved?
No,
yes. Hi, Shauna. Go ahead.
Can we do Percocet?
Okay, Percocet. You have to disregard the 5/325. It's a combination of acetaminophen, which is the lower strength 5, and then the 325 is your oxycodone. Okay? It's just telling you this is what you grab, this strength. Okay? But you have to focus on Percocets 1, Q4 to 6H, PRN, 20 days. Is it 20 days in there for you? Correct? 20 days. PRN means as needed. In Latin, pro re nata. Okay. So give 1 tablet, Q4 to 6H. Q4 is what? There are 24 hours in a day, but you have to give every 4 hours. This is going to be times 6, right? Q6, there's 24 hours in a day. 24 divided by 6 is times 4. So what I'll do, I'll just disregard this. I'll encircle this because this is what I need. Okay? Quantity to be dispensed, focus, and then multiply everything. So it will be 1 times 6 times 20. 1 times 6 times 20 would be 120 tabs. Is that clear? Yes? We want to give them the max. We don't want to short them. Okay. Anything else in the front? That's it? Jump to liquid now? That's it for you, my Shauna? Yes, okay, good, great. You understood how we did it? Okay, Stormy, your turn, one by one, at the back. Follow along, huh, to the rest of you.
So it's on the first row. It's the fourth one, the Megastrol system.
Okay, Megestrol suspension, 40 milligrams per ml. Disregard that. It's just telling you the strength of the drug. Focus on line 2, which is the SIG, the doctor's instruction. 1.5 ml.
Oh, that could be the issue. I'm only seeing 0.5 ml.
Oh, okay. That was the problem. The copy, basically.
So it's actually 1.5 ml. So that's
Yes.
probably what happened to the last ones too. The last two on that.
Oh, there's a 1 in the front. All of them.
Both
Got
of
a,
them?
oh, when I
Okay.
scanned it, probably. That's what happened.
So the Hycotin syrup is 1.5 and the Phenergan is 1.5.
Correct. And the lactulose is 1 TBSP.
Okay. That could be the issue.
Okay, so let's try. Try to compute for Megestrol.
So it's 1.5 times 4. 6 times 34, which is 204 mLs.
Correct.
That's right.
Okay. Try to do lactulose.
Oh, I got 600 ml on that one.
Okay, correct. And then your Phenergan would be 1.5 TSP, Q6 to 8H, PRN. PRN means as needed, prorenata, cough for 10 days. 1.5, it's in teaspoon, Q6 to 8H, PRN, cough, times 10 days, okay? First step would be convert your 1.5 TSP to ml, and that would be
7.5 ml.
7.5 ml. Q6H is times 4. Q8H is times 3. So scratch this off, pick this up, times 4, and then what do you do next?
Times the 10.
Times 10. So 7.5 times 4 times 10 is?
300 ml. Yeah.
You got it, my Shauna?
We're doing the last one on the first column, right?
Yeah, we're at the back. This is Phenergan, right, Stormy?
Yes.
Phenergan with
Why-
codeine. Left side, second to the last prescription.
Why is the last one 10, not 12? Why times 10?
It's
Second to
Phenergan,
the
not
last. Not the last one.
Oh,
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Oh, I lost Richard. Okay, Hycodan syrup. Can you do Hycodan syrup, my Shauna? 1.5 teaspoon, Q4 to 6H, PRN, 12 days. First step, convert your teaspoon to ml.
Good to know which shape is a match. Let's start with basics. Shapes and colors with
So this will be, what's 1.5 teaspoon to ml?
our new
7.5
the App Store and
What's Q4H?
times 6.
What's
Times
Q6H? Scratch that
56.
off so you don't get confused. Multiply it by 6. What else?
Times 12.
By 12. So we do this, 7.5 times 6 times 12 would be? Did you do the math, my Shauna?
I haven't done the math yet.
It would be 7.5 ml times 6 times 12. We should give the patient
21? 540. Okay.
Where did the
I can
21
get it.
come from? Oh, you didn't convert your 1.5 teaspoon, my guess.
I think that was the way it happened.
First step, convert to metric.
Okay.
Okay, we clear? Right side now. I feel bad. Richard got kicked out. Right side. Anything on the right side? Or is it just because it was cut off? My Shauna, can you check the right side? Is there something that you need me to work on? Josh, thanks for patiently waiting, huh?
Can we do Zyrtec?
Zyrtec syrup, 3/4 of a teaspoon. Q12H, 90 days. Okay. Fraction, right away, right? So what do? Let's convert 3/4 to 0.75 teaspoon. We didn't convert it to ml yet. We just converted the fraction into a decimal, right? Now we convert the 0.75 teaspoon to ml. What's the conversion? A teaspoon is?
5 milliliters.
Which means 0.75 times 5, that will be 3.75 ml. Catching on? But that's not the end of it. What's Q12H?
2 times 2.
Times 2. And then bring this down, times 90. So it will be 3.75 times 2 times 90 would be 675 ml. Final answer always in metric unless otherwise asked from the ask on the instruction to give it in household. Did you see?
Okay. Yes.
Don't panic when you see a fraction. Okay? Convert it to decimal because it's easier to use the calculator when it's in decimal. Right? I see Stormy's face. But then she realized, oh, that's right. 3/4 is 0.75. Had I just done it like that, then the calculator will understand, right? There you go. Is that clear, my Shauna?
Yes.
Okay, anything else on the right side? Right column?
No.
No? Oh my gosh, I feel bad. Richard got kicked out. I know he has questions, but he's going to the campus in the next couple of days so he can meet with Miss J for tutoring. Again, when you're in the campus and you need certain things, tutoring is the same, huh? You have to bring her a problem from a book or whatever we're working on. She's not going to lecture. She's going to be slammed, okay? So, and then schedule that with her. But I'll also squeeze in tutoring with you guys once I see that during that discussion, the participation, some are falling behind, right away, we'll schedule tutoring. We'll make it more regular, like Tuesdays and Thursdays are tutoring days. We'll see how everybody's doing and then we'll schedule it as we go, okay? No questions on the topics? Because it's a more than 2 hour class, I didn't give any worksheets to do. However, continue with the compounding lectures, okay? And then on Friday, we'll do compounding. I'll put that in the announcement. That means Friday is going to be 2 hours of compounding, okay? But you'll still have worksheets tomorrow for math.
How many lectures do you want us to listen to by Friday?
I'll tell you, I had an announcement yesterday. You should be on page 11 by today of the lecture packet. So whatever topics are included from page 1 to 11, you must have covered that in the audio and in the video. which
Okay.
means capsule making, weighing powders, okay? All of those must be covered by today. So after today, you should be moving on to the next pages.
Okay.
Clear?
Mhm.
Okay. No live class tomorrow. I'll see you on Friday, but it's going to be a 2-hour compounding class. That clear? Okay. Josh, I will close this. I will close this room and I'll open another one for you. Is that okay?
That's all good. I just
Okay,
need
can
to
you
know
give me
when.
a few minutes break? Let's come back at, what time do you have to be at the campus?
1 o'clock.
Oh, shoosh. I'll text Miss J that you're not going to be at the campus today because I need to meet with you. You guys, ladies, you can go.
Okay.
I'll text Miss J that you won't be